out to the good old Lord. One side right now, good old Lord. I'ma make it someday, somehow. What you telling yourself, but you ain't focused on what's important. Mentality to hell. Everybody in the world only want one thing. What's that? Infinite power in a pocket full of wealth. It's like I'ma bring it back to the basics. Nobody can erase it. People in the street going ape shit. That'll end up prison, but nobody wanna say shit. I'ma bring it back to the bring it back to the basics.
What's up? What's up, guys? How you guys doing? As you guys can see, I'm not in a Z today. I'm in a Chevy. I'm in a Chevy because it's my brother's truck. Actually, they're still doing construction down the road, so he had to park like a block away, not that far, because we can't go into our street. So I came to go pick up his truck so I could park it back home, because now we can. And from there, I'm gonna get my car, my Z, and I'm gonna drive out to Dixon to meet up with someone. From there, we're gonna go to Sacramento, I believe, or Roseville. I'm not sure, honestly. I'm gonna meet up with someone. His name is Daniel. I never met him in person. He also has a 350Z. It's a purple and bluish. I don't know what else it turns into. I know it's a color shift. It's wrap as well. So I never met the guy. I'm gonna meet him for the first time today. So I decided to vlog it because we're gonna meet each other for the first time. The other first guy, I already met him before. And right now I'm just gonna move the truck and then we're gonna head out there. And I'll see you guys out there. I'm so tempted to rev it. I said I'm so tempted to rev it, but you know, I'm not gonna do that. Wire parking garage is so nice, honestly. Guys, so when I parked here, I didn't know this thing was back here. Why is it so dark? Anyways, I didn't know this was back here and I kind of smacked. Oh well. Let's see how it looks when I move the car. Oh, fuck.
No! Fuck!
It's fine. I'm about to rewrap it anyways.
Could have been worse.
It could have been worse. I'm rewrapping it in like in 2 weeks anyways. I'm gonna unwrap it next week for sure.
And I was backing up and I looked at it and I was like,
I didn't know this thing was back here. I just kept going. Luckily I didn't even go. I didn't even have music on. I just kept going. Yeah, because you have editing skills, don't you? I thought you were aired out already.
Ever. Wow, so low.
I thought he was aired out this whole time, but I guess that's his driving height. My driving height is like that right there.
You like barely air out when you air out. You guys were here? All my friends that are on baggage.
Anyways, guys, this is Daniel. Zammed him on Instagram. I'll put his link in.
Monster truck, dude. Monster
I'll
truck.
put his Instagram.
I saw him. I was
right
like,
here.
Holy fuck, that looks like.
That's Daniel right there. Say what's up, Daniel. You gotta get that booty shot.
Oh, let me get that for you.
When you gotta get them perfect angles.
Dude, you got to. You gotta do whatever it takes.
Oh my god. Bruh, can I have your headlights?
Nah, I'm good.
Please? Hey, do we have the same splitters?
Yeah, boy.
Oh, we do.
We do, I noticed that.
Hey, at least you didn't mess up on yours.
How do you mess up on
Because I drilled holes on the opposite side. I don't know if it's this side or the other side. It is the other side. There you go.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Oh well.
I would just like put putty on it and paint it black.
I'll just put nothing on it because I'm not gonna put nothing on it. Literally just aired out and he wants me to move my car already. Huh? Guys, you guys like my custom shift knob? Yes, my car is automatic, just for you guys to know. My shift knob just popped off out of nowhere when I was just driving normal. So now I don't have a shift knob. When everyone has louvers but me. Like, I want louvers hella bad. But I don't know if I should buy them. New. So look at his paint job. Okay guys. Camera doesn't do justice. This thing's like, right here is like blue. And right there is purple. For my eyes. Bro, Daniel is so funny. I never seen my car driven. Bruh, my rear bumper looks so ugly. I fucked up my rear bumper hella bad. Oh well. Guys, I didn't even fully air out. Alright guys, so we're done shooting here at the parking garage that we were at. Daniel he was telling us to go all the way. You see that tall building? You can see that tall ass building. He was like, oh, let's go down the street and go to that spot. And he's like, it's 15 minutes away from here. So, and it's farther from home, which I'm not trying to do. I'm trying to get closer to home. That's my objective. So we're gonna go somewhere else to I don't know if it's abandoned airport, I think. And he freaking got my e-brake hella hard. So yeah, we're gonna go there. We're gonna go to an airport and then shoot for a bit. And there is a meet at 8:30, so we might go. So we'll see. Anyways, see you guys there. Alright guys, we just found a new spot, airplane spot. My fans are so loud. I hope nothing's wrong with it. No, I wasn't racing on the freeway, you know, wasn't. After this, I think we are gonna go to a meet, probably like 5, 10, 15 minutes away from here. I don't know how long. Why does this boy have a mask in his car? Daniel, why do you have a mask in your car? Because he looks cool.
Dude, it is honestly the #1 mod that I put on my car that gets the most like people talking. It's so funny. People always hit me up like, dude, I love that mask. It scares the shit out of me. Like, honestly, it's a $5 mask. Best mod I've ever done. It's so funny.
He said that was his best mod ever for his car. I think it's the headlights still. I want them. Mine are all stock. I don't know, this lighting is hella good for pics. Like, perfect timing, honestly. Well, because sunsets are always good together.
How are we doing?
Anyways, this is Daniel,
Hi guys.
the one I never met.
The one that, we've been like best friends for like a year now, but we've never officially met till now.
It's been a year.
Probably not.
It's been a year.
It's been a year.
Yeah, and that guy over there, like I said we're gonna meet 2 people. I told you guys about that one right there.
He's a troublemaker.
No one cares about him. Like, look at him. Like, he's so lonely.
You're good. What's up?
That's the guy we don't care about.
What?
What?
Did you get my butt crack?
Nope.
I was trying.
So Daniel over here is really excited because there's an airplane that just landed.
Not landed. You got like 2 moving. So like we got some food shots.
And he does some good work at editing, so he put like flames on the airplane and everything. Right?
Bro, you got like wait. You got like the whole airplane coming into the shot.
He's so happy. He wished he had his car right there.
I wish I did. You stole my moment.
Do that again? He said he's gonna park his car next to mine because he's hella excited to get the airplanes behind him. Guys, I want those headlights so bad. Like, you guys don't know. Yeah, hit my car if you want. Right. Oh, I just saw it right there. Bro, that is so cool. I didn't even know that was a horn right there in front of his hood. That's why he doesn't have a front bumper. Alright guys, we just got to the meet. We're gonna end it off at the meet. We're not gonna do nothing else. It's pretty cold, so I'm getting my jacket because it's freaking cold.
Wait, bro, what if that one?
That's so cold. Can I put my jacket on with one hand? Let's find out. Why are you so sad?
Because he's not full without Justin in his life. And
Justin's
where's
not
Justin?
here. He told me he's on his way.
Is he really?
He asked for the address to IKEA, and I was like, there's a thing called Google.
There's only one IKEA.
call it the freeway.
Freeway.
Wait, is he really coming?
Yeah, he's coming. Him and his girlfriend are coming.
Oh,
They both driving?
those are goals.
Yeah.
So yeah, Justin has a 350Z that changes colors as well, and his girlfriend has what, a 370Z?
370.
And-
This doesn't
and
just
it-
change colors. It's every color.
Okay, it's every
the
color,
rainbow.
but when it's dark, it's gray.
That's true. It's gray as shit.
Yeah, it's Battleship gray, what he said.
Shit.
I never seen that gray before.
Shit.
So yeah,
Bro, I'm about to walk.
we're gonna walk around, I think, but I'm hungry and
Same. Might hit a fucking Taco Bell.
oh, Taco Bell is something good. Hey, look, someone else has a Max 2 under passenger seat. Guys, look at this camber. Oh my god.
Take off, dude.
All right, bro. Oh, that one.
Have a good one, guys. Toodles.
He's trying to be like a mod when he says bye to the vlog. I like my license plate lights a lot. But other than that, I think we're gonna head out now. We were here for like at least 15-20 minutes. Tired. I want to go home. Oh, look at his trunk set. Yeah, he's cool. Yeah, we're about to head out, so it's Justin. He finally showed up.
Where'd Dan go? Did he already tell?
Dan already bought.
He said you took too long. I took too long. What the fuck?
Guys, that's Justin, by the way. I'll put his Instagram right here if you guys want to follow him.
What's
He has like a crazy ass color shift color rainbow. I think his girlfriend's next to put the same color. How long do you take to park? Keep it going. No. Guys, look at that color. This is my first time seeing it in person, actually. You know, I would wrap my car like that color because, I mean, there's a lot of colors to it, but I don't know. A lot of people already have it, and I don't like copying people's. Especially since I know Justin, I don't want to copy him. I want this rear bumper so bad. Watch. I want that rear bumper so bad, but there's only fiberglass for it. There's no like polyurethane or other materials. There's only fiberglass. So that's why I haven't bought it yet. Also, his front bumper is fiberglass. I don't do fiberglass. The only fiberglass part I have is on my spoiler that I have. Yeah, I said we were leaving, but more people came that I know. So we're still chilling a little bit more. Let's see whenever we leave. Anyways, we're gonna head out because it's almost over. It's probably like 10:30. Meat's about to be shut down, I bet. Donuts, burnouts. So we're gonna head out. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Hope you guys like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Other than that, hope you guys have a good one. See you guys in the next vlog.